Salamat sa Panginoon dahil sa himalang ito, binigyan niya ako ng bagong pag-asa at buhat ngayong arag.
Your blessing, Lord, is all I see. In my heart, make me complete. Fill my life, my soul, my song. Your blessing, Lord, forever strong. You lift me high, beyond my fears. In joy and peace